Hello everyone and my fellow Redstoners, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're gonna see about the modular design of the Redstone Oracle. Let's get into the video. The first thing is that the modular architecture of Redstone maintains data integrity from source to smart contracts. There are three ways to integrate with the Redstone Oracle that is tailored to your needs. Namely, the first one would be Redstone Core, the second one is Redstone Classic, and the third one is Redstone X. The Redstone Oracle provides feeds for more than 1000 assets integrating 50 data sources and is present on more than 20 plus chains, which is huge. They are present on both EVM and non-EVM chains on L1 and L2s. The Redstone has been supporting Delta Prime since March 2022 and has been live on mainnet since January 2023. Their code was audited by multiple security experts including ABDK, PegShield and L2Beat co-founder. The Redstone was a launch partner for Delta Prime on Avalanche and delivered data feeds not available anywhere else. Delta Prime proceeded to become the top 3 fastest growing dApps according to DeFi Llama. The next thing we're gonna see here is that the issue caused by the monolithic Oracle. The first thing would be huge waste of resources. Pushing data on-chain regardless of whether it is used or not is a huge waste of resources. The monolithic architecture limits scalability as it's hard to list new assets or reduce latency. Protocols cannot fully decide on trusted sources and data update conditions. End users are fully dependent on reliers and could be cut off from the service. So those are the issues caused by monolithic Oracle. Now we're gonna see how Redstone's modular design tackles the issue and provides the best solution. Redstone offers a radically different designs of oracles catering to the needs of modern DeFi protocols. The first thing would be data providers can avoid the requirement of continuous on-chain data delivery. Redstone Oracle allows the end user to self-deliver signed Oracle data on-chain. Use the decentralized streamer network to deliver signed Oracle data to the end user. And the next point would be Redstone Oracle actually uses token incentives as a means to motivate the data providers to maintain data integrity and uninterrupted services. It leverages the R-Wave blockchain as cheap and permanent storage for archiving Oracle data and maintaining data providers' accountability. Now we have a visual representation here, a flowchart which shows how the process takes place. So please do have a look at it. So the next thing would be the dominance in modular oracles for LSTs and LRTs. Now guys, Redstone specializes in yield pairing collateral for lending markets, especially LSTs and LRTs. The first thing would be feeds not being available elsewhere. Price feeds for new types of assets require novel price discovery models, for example slippage based weighing. Redstone constantly update their modular pricing engine to ensure the highest accuracy and relevance. The next thing is deploying everywhere. Redstone's price feeds are chain agnostic. It can push data to multiple EVM and non-EVM ecosystems, rollups and all kinds of app chains. This makes the Redstone Oracle a perfect partner for roll-up as service providers as well as Agent Layer AVSs. Deploy a new chain and be Oracle ready with Redstone from day one, guys. And the third point is supporting all DeFi dApps. Redstone supports versatile use cases empowered by modular data consumption. You can choose core for high frequency of data updates and a broad range of assets, or classic model if you require the most popular Oracle interface. If you have a use case, Redstone has a solution. So that's it guys. Before we conclude, as we are speaking about the Redstone's modular design, the unique modular design makes Redstone available cross-chain including EVMs, non-EVMs, rollups and all kinds of app chain, just like I mentioned before. Before we conclude, let's see some of the partners and projects which is involved with the Redstone. Starting with some of the lending protocols out there, we can see Like, there are many protocols out here, but I'll just mention a few like Pendle, Gearbox, Lido, Swell, Gravita, and many more. The next are data sources. For example, we have lots of centralized exchanges here like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. We have dexes like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Trader Joe, and other aggregators like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And moving on to the chains, as I mentioned before, Redstone is available on 20 plus chains. And for example, we can take Ethereum here, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, ZK Sync, Base, and so many more. An interesting point which we have to notice here is that the founder of Avalanche, co-founder of Polygon, and co-founder of ZK Sync all have invested in Redstone themselves. So that's an additional point for us to see. And the last one would be auditors and partners. Guys, wow, so many people backing and trusting this beautiful project. And the last but not the least, we have lots of big names out here like Eigenlayer, Monad, Sei, Caldera, and so many more, which just makes this project even more bullish. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on another video. Bye.